Hello, my name's Evan from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 35 TFSI. It comes finished in the stunning Chronos Grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done 36,200 miles. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement on the road. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aids for rear volumes of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And telephone connection to stay in touch with friends and family. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set preferred temperatures regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging points, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox and the handheld brake, with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. Call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.